Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I, Bhavya Gupta, will tell you about the books which we should refer while pursuing BSc Honours Mathematics. Now, according to UGC module CBCS system, that is choice based credit system, we have 6 semesters which we have to be completed in 3 years. Right? Now, in first semester, we have 2 subjects of mathematics and 2 subjects which we can choose by ourselves, which is not related to maths. That, in the sense, I chose physics and chemistry in my first year. So, in second year also I have to choose any one. I chose physics and there were 3 mathematics subjects. And in third year, there are 4 mathematics subjects. Now, फर्स्ट ईयर में हमारे पास कौन से 2 सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं मैथ्स के, दैट इज एलजेब्रा एंड कैलकुलस. कैलकुलस में जो भी हमारा सिलेबस होता है उसकी जो हमें बुक्स रेफर की जाती हैं, दे आर वेरी गुड. इनफैक्ट द बुक बाय कैलकुलस एंड एनालिटिकल ज्योमेट्री बाय थॉमस एंड फिने, जॉर्ज बी थॉमस एंड रोज एल फिने, इज अ वेरी गुड बुक. लाइक इन दिस द चैप्टर्स आर विच वी हैव टू कवर in semester 1 is derivatives, applications of derivatives, hyperbolic functions, reduction formula, and applications of integrals, chapter 5, transcendental functions. Basically in transcendental functions there is hyperbolic functions. Then chapter 10, vectors and analytical geometry. In space sometimes there is a part of conic sections also. If you find this book difficult, then there is also a very good series, that is Golden series, and their books are really very good in understanding. So Golden by Integral Calculus, it has our first semester syllabus, and similarly Golden by Differential Calculus also has our first semester syllabus. Now we come to algebra. Algebra में हमारे फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में मोस्टली मैट्रिसेस एंड ऑल आते हैं, मैट्रिसेस, लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, vector spaces, and we have dimension bases and all, rank of a matrix. So for that the good book is Golden by Linear Algebra for unit 3 and unit 4, in which it is mainly of vector spaces and linear transformations. And for matrices part you can refer to David Seale book. This is very good book. There is also one practical exam, that is, we can use any software in mathematics, Mathematica, Maple, and there is one more that we say MATLAB. I studied MATLAB in my first semester, and in my second semester I studied Maple, and in third I studied Mathematica. They are equally good, just to make you visualize the graphs which we know. But the main thing is, before plotting it on the system, that is any CAS, computer algebraic system, we should know how to visualize a particular graph. We should not be dependent on that system as in MATLAB, Maple or Mathematica. We should use our intelligence first, that how can we draw that graph before becoming dependent on the software. Now in second semester again there are 2 subjects of mathematics and 2 which I had chose, or which we can choose any of the general elective subjects. There are many choices. Now you all are in first year. So first year में हमारे पास काफ़ी टाइम होता है एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें करने का, rather than हम उनको थर्ड ईयर में करें कि हमारी डिग्री कंप्लीट हो रही है, हमें गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए अप्लाई करना है एंड ऑल, कि थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश का देख लें, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. It's better we do it in first year. So for that I refer to GK Today. It is a very good book for current affairs, and here there are also solved papers of many exams. Like in December issue there is UPSC, National Defence Academy and Naval Academy exam solved paper, IBPS recruitment exam, SSC multitasking staff exam, current affairs. And the main thing is, in this booklet there comes a special booklet, that is Indian economy, for December issue. In November issue it had come India handbook. It told the governance of the India. So it is a good book overall. And its price is also very moderate, 30 rupees. And for quantitative aptitude, हमने 12th 10th तक मैथ्स करी रखी होती है, स्पेशली जो बीएससी ऑनर्स मैथमेटिक्स लेते हैं नॉर्मली 10th तक तो मैथ्स करी रखी होती है, एंड काफियों ने 12th में भी ली ही होती है मैथ्स. तो हमें क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. द थिंग इज हाउ टू कैलकुलेट एंड डू द आंसर क्विकली when we are doing any exam of CDS or something else in which quantitative aptitude is required. So fast calculation करने के लिए this book is very good book. That is Magical Book on Quicker Mathematics by M. Tyra. So I prefer this. Now in semester 2 we have two mathematics subjects. That is, one is ordinary differential equations and second is real analysis. So ordinary differential equations are very easy subject. Like if you have practiced the questions thoroughly, then it's very easy subject. Concept you should understand that what is the concept, how it is going, ये हम question किस तरह से उसे visualize करें, कैसे सोचें कि इसका आंसर यही आएगा. कई बार tricky questions भी आ जाते हैं ordinary differential equations में. So by M.D. Rai Singhania is a very good book, and you can refer this book for the topics like homogeneous equations, exact differential equations, method of variation of parameters, homogeneous equations of second order differential equations, power series, Legendre's equation, Frobenius method, and for the concept of mathematical models you can refer to S.L. Ross book. Now comes another mathematical subject, that is real analysis. Though it seems to be difficult when you study at first, but it is not so. ये सिर्फ हमें इसलिए लगता है कि इसमें सारी की सारी थ्योरम्स हैं और हमें वो ऐसे ही लिखा देते हैं और हमें कहते हैं कि ये ऐसे से प्रूफ है, ये ऐसे से होगा, और हम भी ऐसे से पढ़ लेते हैं उसको. पर उसका क्या फायदा है जब हमें समझ ही नहीं आई. एंड रियल एनालिसिस कभी पीछा छोड़ती ही नहीं है हमारा. 5th सेमेस्टर में भी आएगी, बाद में भी आती जाती है, मल्टी वेरिएबल कैलकुलस में आ जाएगी, बाद में सारी जगह आती रहती है रियल एनालिसिस, कहीं ना कहीं तो आई जाती है. सो रियल एनालिसिस की हमें बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. एंड फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड इनफैक्ट इसमें क्वेश्चन भी काफी अच्छे दे रखे हैं. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ रियल एनालिसिस बाय शांति नारायण एंड डॉक्टर M.D. राय सिंघानिया. इनफैक्ट विदाउट डॉक्टर M.D. राय सिंघानिया जो शांति नारायण ने इंडिविजुअल भी लिखी है बुक, वो भी अच्छी है रियल एनालिसिस की. But this is a very good book. I have read it and I later found it very useful. In second semester, I read Bartle. Bartle is a good book, but it is written by a foreign author. And there is a major difference. जो foreign authors लिखते हैं ना, वो हमें नहीं समझ आता इतना. और आ भी जाए समझ, आ गया, अच्छा है, आ गया समझ. grasp नहीं होता हमसे इतने जल्दी. So better है अगर इंडियन ऑथर की पढ़े हम. And this is a good book for real analysis. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में हमारे पास सिर्फ रियल एनालिसिस का रियल नंबर्स आता है, ऑर्डर्ड कंप्लीटनेस, इनफाइनाइट सीरीज, सीक्वेंसेस, काउंटेबिलिटी, ये सब होता है बस. एंड इसके फर्स्ट 6 चैप्टर्स में ही है जो हमें आता है. देन आता है हमारे पास अब 3rd सेमेस्टर, दैट इज सेकेंड ईयर. राइट, अब सेकेंड ईयर में हमारे पास क्या होता है कि हाँ, वन मेन थिंग कि in 1st and 2nd year we have to do 2 courses, that is environmental studies and English. And now in 2nd year हमारे पास 3 मैथमेटिक्स के सब्जेक्ट्स हो जाते हैं और एक हो जाता है हमारे पास जनरल इलेक्टिव. राइट, अब जो हमारे पास 3 मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं 3rd सेमेस्टर में, that is theory of real functions, group theory, partial differential equations and system of ODE. Again, you can refer to this book. This is a very good book for real analysis to have a better understanding. Because for analysis की बुक में ऐसा होता है ना कि हमें पता है उसके solutions available हैं, so हम कोशिश भी नहीं करते हैं solutions को खुद करने की कई बार. So that is a very wrong way to deal with questions of mathematics. You should try them by yourself without any support. क्योंकि जब हम questions practice करते हैं तभी हमें theory की अच्छी understanding होती है. So practice more and more questions. And in this book many questions are also given and solutions भी नहीं मिलेंगे नेट पे. सो आपको खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे। सो थ्योरी ऑफ रियल फंक्शंस में तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, यूनिट 1 में लिमिट एंड कंटिन्यूटी, सेकेंड यूनिट एंड थर्ड यूनिट में डिफरेंशियबिलिटी से रिलेटेड है। सेकेंड यूनिट इज डिफरेंशियबिलिटी सेकेंड। थर्ड यूनिट कम्स विद applications of differentiability, local extrema निकालना, Darboux theorem and all. And unit 4 comes with हमारे पास आती है टेलर्स थ्योरम। सो इजी सा है, बस अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए उस कंसेप्ट की। थ्योरम के प्रूफ तो कोई भी लिख ले। नाउ अब हमारे पास सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट है जो ग्रुप थ्योरी। ग्रुप थ्योरी के लिए हमारे पास एक और होती है बुक, दैट इज गैलियन। गैलियन इज ऑल्सो अ गुड बुक बट सेम इट इज अ फॉरेन ऑथर, सो उसके से थ्योरी करनी तो नहीं, थ्योरी इज नॉट दैट गुड बट क्वेश्चंस आर गुड फ्रॉम गैलियन। Contemporary abstract algebra, Joseph A. Gallion, if you want to require do more questions extra. And this book is also very good, A Course in Abstract Algebra by Vijay K. Khanna, S.K. Bhambri. I came to know later about this subject. More importantly, our professors also say that Gallion is very good, do Gallion. Then later when I came to third year, now I realized while doing this book that this good book is much better than Gallion. Because the thing is, I've tried to practice the questions myself in the exercise, and there are many examples given in this book. And moreover, our understanding on each topic gets better and better. So, group theory में हमारे पास topics mainly यही होते हैं, dihedral groups, then groups, subgroups, Lagrange theorem, then there is external direct products and theorems related to it. It's a very interesting subject. I like it. Then comes our third subject, that is ordinary partial differential equations and system of ordinary differential equations. So that also you can refer to Dr. M.D. Rai Singhania. First 3 यूनिट्स उसमें काफ़ी अच्छे एक्सप्लेन किए हुए हैं डॉक्टर M.D. Rai Singhania वाली बुक में, जिसमें PD है, ODE है, बट फोर्थ यूनिट में हमारे पास आता है सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस। वो इस बुक में नहीं है, सो उसके लिए SL Ross देख लेना, अच्छी बुक है वो भी। सो ये हो गया हमारा 3 सेमेस्टर्स तो हो गए BSc के। नाउ 4th, 5th and 6th semesters of BSc Honors Mathematics I will discuss in my next video. I hope this video would be useful to you, especially those who are getting problem in finding books which we should refer and the correct books at the correct time. Now I came to know about Vijay K. Khanna in the 5th semester. What is the use? If I have done it in 1st, 2nd semester, it would be much more beneficial to me. So, I hope it would be useful to you all too. Thank you.